Well, Iowa has reported 19,000 cases of COVID-19 over the last week, and workers at the University of Iowa believe the Omicron variant makes up 80% of new cases now in the state. Hospitalizations are up to nearly 800 people. University of Iowa hospitals now taking care of about 50 COVID-19 patients tonight, along with a high volume of other sick patients. The facility is also seeing an increase in the number of staff members calling in sick due to virus concerns or that they're taking care of loved ones of their own. Doctors say that mitigation efforts need to continue in order to slow the spread.
I totally get that kind of fatigue, that being tired of all these interventions, wanting to throw the masks away, et cetera. But I think that there's no question that relaxing many of these measures is a key reason why these variants of concern keep emerging.
Health leaders predict the Omicron variant surge will peak here in Iowa at the end of January or early February. And as the U.S. Supreme Court is set to weigh in on an OSHA mandate requiring vaccinations for some large employers, another Iowa school district is implementing a vaccine mandate. Last night, the Ankeny School Board voted to require the district staff to be vaccinated against COVID-19, a policy that takes effect immediately. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration issued rules in November requiring employers with 100 or more employees to require vaccinations for its workers or face heavy penalties. Now, the U.S. Supreme Court could rule on that OSHA mandate as early as this Friday.